Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today is episode 4 of our stitch tutorials. Today we are going to be working with a mesh stitch. I'm super excited to show you guys how to do this, so stick around and we'll get right to it. Alright, so today we are going to learn how to do the mesh stitch. This one's pretty easy. It's really good for beginners because it gives some texture to your projects without being too confusing. So for this, you're just going to chain an even number. Doesn't matter what the even number is. We're gonna do, we'll do 12 this time. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. All right, and then I'm using, for this demonstration, I'm using an L hook, 8 millimeters, and then Big Twist Natural Blend. This is a Joanne yarn. I just like how squishy it is. And to start this, you're just going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So this one right here is number 1, number 2. So we're going to single crochet in there. We will chain 1 and we will skip this stitch and we will single crochet in the next. And then chain 1, skip 1, and we will continue this across. All right, and then we'll chain 1 and we'll turn our work. And then you can see that there's little gaps in between each stitch. So we will single crochet on top of the single crochets and chain and skip over the chains. Single crochet, chain. And you can see like this is a chain, so there's a big gap here. And then right here is your stitch. So you will single crochet on top of the single crochets and skip over the chains. And final stitch. And then you would turn your work and you would keep doing that over and over and over again. And it creates this really pretty texture, especially when you use, I mean, big yarn, little yarn, it really honestly doesn't matter now that I think about it. You just chain 1, skip 1, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1. But this, it looks really pretty with big yarn because it gives it like a special kind of texture. With smaller yarns like DK or even fingering weight, it also gives a really pretty texture, especially with yarns that aren't the easiest to work with. To me, little yarns don't work so well. To me, the thinner yarns are more, they're tougher for me to work with. I like the bigger yarns, but look at that pretty texture. And I mean, it works really fast, especially with the chunky yarns. And if you're having a hard time, especially if you're a newer crocheter trying to figure out where your stitch goes, on the back, look for this V right here, and that is your stitch. So that's where you would go into to do your next single crochet. And then this is your gap. And then this would be, this V right here would be your next stitch. And see, V, V. But yeah, so that is how you do the mesh stitch. If you have any questions, let me know. I think it's a really pretty stitch. If you have any other stitches you want me to do, put those in the comments below. Next week, we're gonna work on chevron. I'm really excited about that. And yeah, I'm super, super excited about all of this. So let me know what you think, and y'all have a great day. Bye.